I decided I should sharpen it. Now I do like the ones with the shank on them, the octagon shank. That way the bit doesn't twist in the drill. Holds nice and good and solid. This, you can see a couple Allen wrenches. An Allen wrench takes off, loosens up both sides. And then what I did was I used the whetstone. Oh, I used it dry though. And I just went back and forth to take that one edge down a little bit. When it's turning this way, it's going to be cutting against this edge here. And I did it on all of them. And with my fingers, I can feel it. It feels sharper. Try to go like this. Although I held this one solid, and in my hand I used the whetstone, I was able to see it better. And take a look. You don't want to be doing it crooked or anything or wrong, but normally I do the top edge here, but I think in this case what I did is going to be fine. So let's put it back on and we'll test it. But I'm quite sure it's going to be good. It wasn't too bad before, but this will make it cut a little bit better, a little easier on the drill.